This is what I would wear if I were going to a concert tonight. I cannot wait for my Morphe gel pop to get here because I miss having my brows. Like, I'm trying to work with these products and it's just not doing it. I used to not like this primer, but I've been using it with my Believe Beauty Foundation and it's been working pretty well. I also am trying to do this whole look with no makeup brushes. This is the only thing that I'm using, so I'm probably just gonna do eyeliner today. That was Believe Beauty Foundation in the shade Tawny, Milani Perfect and Conceal in beige 140. I just like to have a really clean, bright eye base whenever I do my makeup. I haven't used this Wet n Wild powder in so long, so I'm just gonna use this to set. Try not to pick up too much because I don't have a brush. I'm only using this puff, so I only need a little bit of that. Milani Make It Last setting spray. I kind of want to leave my base like this. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Hot Chocolate. The little gray from my Morphe palette on a Q-tip, okay? And I'm got a little fallout. I'm gonna do like a little wing. I want to do like a halo eye. I just put on some LA Colors Shimmering Loose Powder in Snow White. Now for the fun part. Oh my. This is my Bad Gal mascara. I just altered some lashes. This is what they looked like and this is what I'm gonna put on. Brushing the glue out of my lashes. Honestly, I'm not really feeling this glue so far. The application is way too big and it's like chunky and I feel like it's kind of sticky also. That glue still hasn't dried right there. I don't think it will. You don't cry, you're not strong enough to care. Getting lost in my own pain, not in the game. One more dance to see me. I've been hoping we could try. That glue is so sticky, like it's not even drying. I don't know. I'll give it another chance. I'll give it another chance. And then I just did a little contour with that gray. This Beauty Radiance Soft Focus powder. This is in the shade Milk Chocolate. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Thrill Seeker.
People fail to pass the test, holding out for a last chance, the heart to relapse. One more light to
Wet n Wild eyeliner.
Cause I don't wanna know if I get
out. I'm just gonna take that LA Colors eyeliner. The Kiko Milano Double Touch Gloss. This is my final look. Thanks for watching.